we have your Nueva Ecija, Ilocos Sur, Zambales, Oriental Mindoro. So another national pageants, what your expectation?
Ini-expect ko na sana po is palarin po ngayon na nakasala ako sa national pageant. Bale, pangalawa po. Second po.
Second wala na pageant.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Before po kasi Mr. Philippine Youth po.
Oh, so this is your second.
Yes po.
So what have you learned from that pageant that you're re-applying to Mr. Philippine Islands?
Ma'am, is preparation po talaga. Mahirap po kasi preparation pero kailangan handa rin po yung mindset nyo po, yung sarili nyo po, tsaka yung mga wardrobes po talaga.
Ibig sabihin, every detail should be prepared.
Yes po.
Not only
Preparation
mentally,
po talaga.
physically, lahat.
Yes po.
Walang makikitang butas.
Yes po.
So, do you think, Ilocos Sur, mawalang makikitang butas sa'yo now? Because I think you've learned the last year in a pageant. You've learned a lot from that. That is a good experience and a teacher for you. Do you think you already have the edge of getting the crown of Mr. Philippine Islands?
So joining Mr. Philippines Island is very challenging for me kasi alam naman natin na national pageant din to, and pag national pageant talaga expect mo na sobrang taas ng standard. So prepare ko yung sarili ko, physique ko, mind ko, and lahat. And as a working student, nagbibigay ako ng time para i-prepare yung sarili ko at para maging ready sa national pageant na to.
You joined a pageant, national pageant also last year. So may I just ask, what have you learned from that pageant that you will not be applying, to this pageant?
Well, about transparency. Well, transparency is for me is for leadership. Always for leadership.
Transparency.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's a big word. Oriental Mindoro. Oriental Mindoro is also very prepared in any other pageants. I mean, sa mga babae nyo, I've been there. I watched Miss Orbin. It's
Yes.
so grandiose. Ganon din po ba kasuporta ang Oriental Mindoro pagdating sa mga male pageants like you?
Yes, indeed, that they are very supportive to me. Currently, they are working on my the voting system, and on our mayor, Mayor Insyang. Thank you for your support, and also to the cultural tourism. Thank you very much.
It's sophistication, leadership, and excellence. If you are to choose one word that describes you, what is that and why?
Leadership, because if you know how to lead the people, you can be a great person, and you can be a better person, and for who you are, you can show up to the people that you can lead, and you can strive for the better future.
As for me, I would choose leadership also, because leadership means everything to me, because leadership is always there, and I want to use that to encourage everyone to be a role model of themselves and to showcase everyone's capabilities. Thank you.
Is being resilient, because being resilient is very important nowadays. Kasi sa dami ng pagsubok natin, kailangan natin laging bumangon at mas handa. And I'm joining this pageant not only as a mister, but a mister that can contribute. Thank you.
Para po sa akin is leadership. Kasi sa buhay po natin, kailangan po natin, meron tayong leader sa buhay natin, syempre sa mga pinagdaanan po natin sa buhay. Leadership po sa akin.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. May you have a crown on the 29th. Good luck to each and everyone. Enjoy your journey here. Sabi nga lang, let's just enjoy everything and we learn. Lalo na sa Mr. Philippine Island. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.